Home heating solutions are everywhere. There are so many types of fireplaces, it can be difficult to figure out which is right for you. But if you think you may want to purchase a gas fireplace, check out this video, because we'll discuss 5 things you need to know before buying a direct vent fireplace. The specialists at eFireplaceStore are certified by the National Fireplace Institute, which means theirs is the knowledge you should trust when it comes to your hearth appliance. What makes direct vent fireplaces different from other fireplaces? A direct vent fireplace is a vented gas appliance with a sealed firebox and a glass front. This setup creates attractive, efficient heating for your home. Direct vent fireplaces are a great option for people who need a venting solution that's not a typical vertical chimney. Direct vent fireplace pipe can run vertically, horizontally, or a combination of the two. Are they expensive? Direct vent fireplace prices vary, but where you can save money is in the vent pipe. Because you can exhaust fumes horizontally, you may be able to use less vent pipe than if you set up a B-vent to exhaust fumes vertically. Direct vent pipe is also more affordable than wood-burning chimney pipe. While you may spend the same amount on the fireplace, at the end of the day, a direct vent installation will cost you less. Will they heat as well as other gas fireplaces? The short answer is yes. Direct vent fireplaces give you great heat efficiency and good air quality. They'll most often heat even better than B-vent gas fireplaces. Some models output as little as 5,000 BTUs per hour, whereas very large models can generate 60,000 BTUs per hour. There's no doubt with the variety available that you'll be able to find a happy medium for your home. How do they look? While some consider fireplaces fueled by gas to be fake fireplaces, using gas rather than wood as a fuel opens up a world of style possibilities. They may not have the authenticity of real wood-burning fireplaces, but with options for realistic log media, decorative glass media, attractive firebox liner panels, and even accent lighting, you'll never have to scrimp on the overall aesthetics of your appliance. Care and maintenance. When you finally get your direct vent fireplace into your home, the first thing you'll need to do is read the manual. The owner's manual will give you invaluable instruction for maintaining your direct vent fireplace. Thankfully, cleaning a gas fireplace isn't as hard as installing one. The exhaust that escapes through the chimney from a gas fireplace isn't nearly as tough on the flue as gas is released from a wood-burning fireplace. You won't have to worry about creosote buildup in the chimney, and you'll only need to inspect the vent system occasionally. You'll still want to check for yard debris or bird's nests in the venting system about once a year. Don't forget to clean the glass 1 to 3 times a year with water and a soft cloth. And there's our 5 things you need to know before buying a direct vent fireplace. Direct vent fireplaces are a happy medium between cost, efficiency, and air quality. For more info on direct vent fireplaces and comparisons between them, B-vents, and vent-frees, head to eFireplaceStore.com for the full-length article, or contact one of our NFI Certified Specialists by phone or by email. Thanks for watching.